Hi everyone and welcome back in a new video. Today I'm going to present to you the switch DAX function. So switch DAX function evaluates an expression against a list of values and returns one of multiple possible result expressions. The return value is a scalar value coming from one of the result expressions if there was a match with value, or from the else expression if there was no match with any values. Okay, as remarks, all result expressions and the else expression must be of the same data type. Okay, so now let's create an example. So as you can see here, we have a data set with the name data. I'm going to use the field or the column date. Now let's create a new column. So as you can see here, I'm going to rename it month, for example, month name. Okay, switch. Okay, so let's take date point month. Okay, or I believe it's month number. Okay, so if it's 1, the result will be January. If it's 2, it's going to be February. As you can see, 3, the results will be March. Okay, 4, it's April, the result. 5 is May. Okay, let me continue typing this expression. As you can see here, 8 is August. Okay, and finally 12 is going to show us December. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, and we can add, if there is no matching, we can add this as a noun month. Okay, so as you can see here, we have created month name. Okay, let's see, for example, let's create a table which contains date and the column that we have created. Okay, As you can see here, the results are what we want to see. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to leave your thoughts and your feedback in the comments below, and don't forget to click on the like button, subscription button, notification button, and see you in next videos. Bye for now.